I am Laika Giamonjo, your news reporter. And our topic today is about COVID-19. We can show in the pictures that during COVID-19, there are some people wearing masks and face shield. People that have been sick. There are some people recover, but there are also died. The COVID-19 pandemic has been a global challenge that has affected every aspect of our lives. Even though we've come a long way, the threat of the virus still looms large and we must remain vigilant. One of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of COVID-19 is by getting vaccinated. Vaccinated have been proven to reduce the risk of serious illness, hospitalization, and death. If you haven't already, I strongly encourage you to get vaccinated as soon as possible. It's not only for your own protection but also for the well-being of those around you.
In addition to vaccination, we must continue to follow basic hygiene practices. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoiding touching your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth, as this can transfer the virus from your hands to your body.
The public places maintain a safe distance of at least 6 feet from others. This helps to reduce the risk of respiratory droplets spreading from person to person. If you are in an indoor setting or unable to maintain physical distance, wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth. Masks are an important layer of protection, especially in areas where the virus is circulating.
Another important aspect of COVID-19 prevention of staying home when you are sick. If the experience of symptoms, shock of fever, sickness of breath, fatigue, of loss of vision, or smile, when you stay home, avoid contact with others. Get tested for COVID-19 as on the first to follow the advice of your healthcare provider.
Let's also remember to keep on during this challenge. If you know someone who is struggling, reach out and offer helping hands. Do this together and work as a community. We can
Stay informed about the latest developments regarding COVID-19. Follow the guidelines and recommendations of public health authorities and rely on accurate and trusted source of information. This will help you make informed decisions and take the right action to protect yourself and your loved ones.
Thank you for listening to the broadcast. Let's all do our part to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and keep ourselves and our community safe. Stay healthy.